izchil davomlashayotgan o'tgan zaman. The past continuous tense. Izchil davomlashayotgan o'tgan zamandagi ma'lum bir vaqtda bo'layotgan harakatlarni ifodalashda ishlatiladi. Izchil davomlashayotgan o'tgan zamanning bo'lishliq jumla shakli. Ega BPL ning o'tgan zaman shakli was yoki were. Harakat PL ning asli shakli ing to'ldirg'ich keladi. Masalan, I was sweeping the floor. Men shu vaqtning o'zida polni supurayotdim. She was cooking a meal. U qiz shu vaqtda tamoq etayotdi. They were typing letters. Ular shu vaqtda xat urayotdi. Izchil davomlashayotgan o'tgan zamanning oddiy so'roq shaklini yasashda BPL ning o'tgan zaman shakli was yoki were jumlaning beshida keladi. Ega, harakat PL, ing to'ldirg'ichi. Masalan, was she cooking a meal? U shu vaqtda tamoq etayotganmidi? Were you sweeping the floor? Siz shu vaqtda polni supurayotdingiz? Izchil davomlashayotgan o'tgan zamanning bo'lishsiz jumla shaklini yasashda BPL ning o'tgan zaman shakli was yoki were ning keyiniga not qo'shilib ketadi. Ega was not yoki were not. Ondan harakat PL ing to'ldirg'ich keladi. Masalan, she was not cooking a meal. U vaqtda tamoq etmayotgan edi. They were not typing letters. Ular u chaqda xat urmayotdi. Izchil davomlashayotgan o'tgan zamanning alohida so'roq shaklini yasashda savol almashtirish jumlaning beshida keldi. Ondan BPL ning o'tgan zaman shakli was yoki were. Ondan ega, harakat PL ing keladi. Masalan, what were you doing? Siz shu vaqtda nima qilayotgan edingiz? What was she cooking? What was she cooking? U vaqtda nima tamoq etayotdi?